Ever wonder how to check your EV's battery health? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the heart of your electric vehicle, the battery. It's especially crucial if you're considering a used EV. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps, from visual checks to using diagnostic tools. Understanding your EV's battery health can be the difference between a smooth ride and a roadside headache. So, are you ready to become an EV battery health expert? Stay tuned as we delve into the vital signs of your EV's battery. Firstly, let's talk about the obvious, your dashboard. This is your primary interface with your electric vehicle and provides some initial indicators of your battery's health. One of the key metrics to keep an eye out for is the overall range estimate. Give your battery a full charge and check the estimated range displayed on your dashboard. If it's in line with the manufacturer's stated range, you're off to a good start. Next, pay close attention to the state of charge, or SOC. This is the remaining battery percentage displayed on your dash or infotainment system. While you're out and about on your daily drive, keep an eye out for any abnormal drops in this percentage. These are simple, quick checks that provide a snapshot of your battery's health. Remember, these initial checks are not foolproof, but they sure give you a pulse on your battery's well-being. Now, let's move on to some tech-savvy checks. Warning lights and companion apps. You see, your electric vehicle communicates with you, and one way it does this is through the dashboard. Got a warning light that's as mysterious as a UFO sighting? That's your EV's way of saying, hey, let's have a chat. It could be a simple check engine light or a more specific alert from the battery management system. Don't ignore these signals. Whip out your owner's manual and decipher those hieroglyphics. Now, onto companion apps. These nifty tools are like your EV's personal diary, sharing intimate details about its battery health. Whether you're navigating in a Nissan or trotting in a Tesla, these apps are your go-to for an extra layer of information. And speaking of Tesla, did you know that their infotainment display, tucked away in the service menu, reveals select battery health details? Now you do. Harnessing the power of technology can give you a clearer picture of your EV's battery health. Last but not least, let's discuss the power of professional tools, dealer tools and OBD2 scanners. When it comes to ensuring your EV is running at its best, sometimes it's worth going straight to the source. Dealer service centers are equipped with state-of-the-art diagnostic tools designed specifically for their brand's electric vehicles. These tools can perform comprehensive checks, identifying potential issues that might not be immediately visible. It's akin to taking a used car to a trusted mechanic before buying. Now, if you're the kind of person who loves to get their hands dirty, an OBD2 scanner could be your new best friend. This device, when hooked up to your EV, can provide real-time data on your battery's performance, helping you to spot any irregularities early. It's like having a personal mechanic on demand, ready to give you the lowdown on your battery's health at a moment's notice. These professional tools offer the ultimate peace of mind when assessing your EV's battery health. And there you have it, folks. Easy and accessible ways to check your EV's battery health. From quick visual checks to advanced diagnostic tools, we've covered the spectrum. Remember, the battery is the heart of your electric vehicle. Keeping an eye on its health is crucial, especially when considering a used EV. So, always make sure you're in the clear before you put pedal to the metal. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, happy driving.